Welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to fix Deliveroo app black screen problem. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Deliveroo app. Now tap on app info option. Now tap on storage usage. And now tap on clear cache and clear data. Okay. Now tap and go to Play Store or App Store if you are using, and then tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Tap on search bar on the top and here type Deliveroo and now tap on OK. So here you will see update button option instead of open button because I have updated this app. So simply tap on that update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.